On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram error problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager, now all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and scroll. Okay, we're still waiting here. What is happening? So I'm gonna go to this. Okay, here is it. Scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it and click on notifications. Make sure to enable every single notifications here, especially the priority display. Go back, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, click on delete. Go back again, click on this for stop. I'm already clicked on it, so that's it. And now restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.